shit, it went on flat. Fuck. Both of them? Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, they wasn't on the beadlock.
Yeah, he didn't put them in it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you gotta lock them things. Yeah, he ain't put. Nah. Yeah, he ain't.
Oh, big all your.
Damn.
Yeah, the beadlock's supposed to go here. Yeah, it's supposed to go here behind it.
Yeah, so when he took off, it ripped it right off the tire.
Wait, who put this shit on?
That was a while back.
Oh, man.
Hey, hey.
That better go, yeah.
Well, at least he can still fix it because they could just unbolt that right now. Hey, hey. Oh, he in reverse, y'all. He said get a flow jack, man. Oh, he went on and drove it, y'all. Let's go see how he. Let's see how he driving.
That's bullshit, man.
Yeah.
Shit, I got a brand new one. Give me 200.
Is it gonna be all right, y'all?
I got something.
It look kind of like it is.
Looks like it is.
Yeah, that tire can take that and air back up. Can't it? I think it's still good. Matter of fact, I done did one like that before.
Look at that.
Always save it so y'all can like.
Man, this is the worst part, I think. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.